Hello everybody, I am back with another video to share with you all today. This one, oh sorry, I just ran up and down the stairs, so now I'm yawning because I'm out of breath. This layout is going to feature some ink blending in the background, and it is also heavily based on a layout that Shamel made in one of her live videos. So I did just skip to the part where I start making the layout, because if I didn't, this video, it already took me 40 minutes without including all of the inking. So it would have easily been like an hour long. As it is, I have it sped up to ×4 speed. So for, like I was saying, this layout is heavily based on Shamel's, I don't know what day it was or anything, but it was a video that she made in February live on YouTube. I think she only does YouTube live now, doesn't she? I think. I could be wrong, but I think that's what it is. Forgive me for a second. I just need to take a drink. Okay, my mouth was really dry, which makes talking difficult. So I inked the background using a blending brush, I guess that's what they're called, from Amazon. I just picked up an inexpensive set on Amazon to use my oxide ink colors with. Now I will say that the bristles do tend to fall out of this set more than the other brushes that I've used, but I mean, I think I paid $10 for 12 or 16 brushes, so very reasonable. And then I took the Simple Stories plus sign stencil, which was also featured in the Best of Both Worlds kit for February, and I used it to I used it along with some black ink on top of the Kitsch Flamingo ink in the background. Again, if you watched my previous layout featuring this type of inking on the background paper, it does take me a really long time, which is partially why I didn't film it, because my ink pad is really dry. I have ordered a re-inker to fix that, but it takes a while to get anything in Canada. And usually I look for a store that has it in Canada, but I didn't this time for some reason. Oh, I remember, because I was ordering the new Distress ink, the new peach color. So I just ordered it from Simon Says Stamp. But yes. So again, I'm using elements from the Simple Stories Good Stuff collection, which is what the Best of Both Worlds for February was based off of. I didn't add as much stuff as Shamel does to her layout, and I think my photo is also smaller than hers, but I'm not sure. If I had to guess, I would say that's a 3x4 inch photo. It looks to be about that on the page. I'm just looking to see. Everything else on this layout is from the Good Stuff collection, including what I punched the Mickey heads out of. That is here it is, EK Success punch, and it is a licensed Disney product. I don't remember when I got mine. I believe they are still available. Yeah. If not, I know that the other EK Success Mickey punches are available. I actually have to contact Isekai Success about my one Mickey punch because it doesn't work properly. Just all of a sudden it stopped working, and it's very strange. So I'm going to email them and see what they suggest that I do. So I am putting the journaling on this page. It's a big shock. Lately, I haven't been keeping very up to date with my journaling. Yeah, that's not a good quality in a scrapbooker. I also have a severe backlog of layouts that need to go in their respective albums. Also not a good thing for a scrapbooker. But we'll get there. I think once I finish making all the layouts I'm going to with this collection, I will post a completed layouts video on my channel, just really quickly flipping through what I made. I don't think it will be very long. I believe it will be a fairly quick video because so far I have made 1, 2, 3, 4. One's upstairs. 5 layouts from this collection, which really isn't a lot considering how much product I purchased of it. I do think a lot of this is going to be added into my stash, especially the embellishments. I'm having a really hard time using the die cuts. They're just icons that I am not going to use, so I might even give them to somebody else, another scrapbooker that I know, and perhaps she can use them because they're just taking up space in my scrapbooking storage, and if I'm not going to use them, I might as well let them go. So I have been using a fair amount of these word stickers that are in the 6x8, the sticker book for this collection. But like I said, I've been having a really hard time using the elements like the stickers, the puffy stickers, the ephemera for this collection because it's just things that I won't use on scrapbooking pages. For example, there are peaches in this scrapbook collection and fingers giving a peace sign. It's really not something that I'm going to put on a scrapbook page. Yeah, it's not, it's just not something that's relevant to my pages, particularly a layout about the sugar cookies at Disney, which, oh my goodness, I'm going to Disney in a month, and I cannot wait to have one of the giant sugar cookies. I have been missing them so much. This was from January 2019. Yes, January 2019 when I went to Disneyland, and prior to that we went to Disney World in November of 2018. That was a planned trip, and then the January one just kind of came together really quickly, or else, we wouldn't have gone to both Disney parks that closely together, but it just kind of happened. So like I said, this layout, really struggling with the embellishments. I'm trying to use them up. The other thing that I'm struggling with is I like papers that have elements that I can cut out on them. So papers that have florals or labels or, just little things like that I can use. So it's been a challenge using this collection. I got to admit, I don't really like working with it, but I'm going to keep working with it. I do like using the ink in the background for the layouts. I do find that makes it a little bit easier to use the elements in this collection. But I will try my best to get as many layouts as done as possible with this collection. So thank you all very much for watching this layout. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you are able to make something scrappy and wonderful as well. Please, if you would like to subscribe to my channel, that would be great. I would really appreciate it. And thank you to everybody else who has already subscribed. And I will see you all soon. Bye, guys.